everybody. It is Jen Eden here, founder of the Sugar Freedom Method, mom to 3, midlife, and totally understand. I hear this question a lot. Look, I'm exercising, Jen, and I'm gaining weight. What? And so, look, I'm here to tell you, like it or not, many people that come see us who exercise and have this question, they're actually over-exercising. When you're over-exercise, it causes your cortisol to spike. When you have high cortisol, your insulin's high, you're inflamed, and you're storing water. So it's not necessarily fat gain, okay? I have many videos on the scale. Find something from me about how to break up with your scale, okay? Your scale does not measure fat. It measures water, glycogen storage, inflammation. And so when you're working out and the scale's going up, it very well could be you're over-exercising and you've got cortisol high. And also you've got muscle growth. Yes. And so you could be shrinking, but you've got muscle growth. And you have to know when your muscles start to tear. I hear this a lot. I started a new workout routine. I'm putting on more muscle and my scale's going up and up and up. And what I find is when you tear muscle, yes, to get it to grow, you put on water weight. And so you have to trust if your clothes are fitting and you're exercising more and it's done properly and it's the right amount of weight for you and you're seeing muscle growth, ignore the scale. And if you're over exercising, because you're nervous about all the calories you're eating or you've been binging, I get that a lot. And Jen, I'm concerned about weight gain. You ain't going to lose it from over exercising, okay? You can't out exercise a bad diet. What you can do is injure yourself. What you can do is exhaust your adrenals. What you can do is burn yourself out and burn your hormones out. And so I don't want you to do that. So it could be muscle growth and it could be your over-exercising. So what do I recommend? Well, just the opposite. If it's muscle growth, A to the men, keep going, get rid of the scale, measure yourself, take measurements around your bust, around your arms, around your hips. Check out what your clothes are doing, okay? That is what I tell my clients. And number 2, if you're over-exercising, I need you to get your diet under control. That is what's going to get the weight to come off and to fat to coming out of your fat stores, okay? It's not going to be from over-exercising. All right, I really hope that clarified for people. When people are struggling with that, and so they're exercising more, and it's causing more problems, more breakdown, more surgery. My friend. All right, if you love my stuff, I always say subscribe to my channel. I'll stay in touch with you. If you got a question, hit me up. I'm happy to answer.